The Summit Storm bringing home a big victory. First game of the year against these Redmond Panthers. You're the two top 10 teams in the IMC right now. Of course, the IMC, a tough division. But tell me, what does it mean to get this win against the Redmond Panthers for you guys?
This conference is a big conference. They're good. It's great beating a team like this. We battled for a long game. I'm just glad to come out on top. We fought through good pitching on both sides of the ball, and I'm just glad to come out victorious.
So you had 2 RBIs here in this game. Walk me through that last one.
I just thought situational hitting. I saw my man on third base, and I knew we needed another run for some more comfort in the game, so I did what I had to do, sacrifice fly to center field.
So you guys had a nice run of about 5 games where you guys got into double digits, and that run concluded after your IMC opener with the Ridgeview Ravens, where you guys had that kind of heartbreaking loss. Do you think that this really helps the team feel better bouncing back, and what kind of things did Coach tell you coming into this game to keep your head on straight?
Oh, yeah, after the loss last week, we were definitely down, but we came to practice yesterday ready to work, and we came ready to play today. We focused in from the get-go, and I'm just glad that I'm here playing with these guys.
Amen to that. Well, great job today. Thank you so much. We're looking forward to following you guys this year.